Hey guys, so this is part 2 of how to make an origami dragon bookmark designed by Joe Nakashima. You can see his video here. Okay, and this is what it looks like here. And if you didn't already see part 1, then part 1 is right here. Okay, so we started off with this. And right here, where this middle crease fold is, you are going to fold that edge down. Okay, and then you are going to align this edge up with there, and you'll fold it down and do the same right here. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this up, and notice there's extra layers right here, so don't think that you got it wrong because there's extra layers right there, because I did when I made it. So right here, you are going to reverse fold this and valley fold this to the edge right here. And do the same right here. And then what you are going to do is fold these. Well, you're gonna crimp this right here by folding it up. And folding it down. So that's crimp number 1, and we are going to make a second one by folding this up and by folding it down. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to fold this in half. And as you can see, this is the dragon tail. You can fold this so it has the curve right here. And I'll link the paper in the description where I got my paper to make the dragon for this, especially this one. This is my favorite that I made. But anyways, you fold this edge up to here. And you fold this edge up to here, and then right here, gonna fold that down. Okay, right here to shape the head, you are gonna fold that there and fold this here. And so right now, we're just gonna leave it like that. And for the wings, we're gonna fold these down like that. And right here you can see that there's a crease right here and a fold there. And then you're going to open up and fold on that crease that you just folded. And right here with this crease, you're gonna fold here. And then, so it's gonna mess up a couple times, well, for me, but I need to get this to, there we go. Okay, so now it's gonna be like that, and then you're gonna fold it up. And I'll do the same right here. Fold this down and fold right here. And open up right here. And where you folded last time, you are gonna fold down and fold, or whatever, and then it should line up here. Okay, and now back to the head. We are going to fold this down, and then right here where we folded, we fold it up here. So now here's where you change what the color looks like. you fold this and you kind of squash it like that, and then the head should be pointing up. And do the same right here. You fold it back a little bit, and then you fold up where the head is. And now to change where it is, you fold this down here. Well, so you are kind of gonna like fold it down so it brings down. Here's a kind of tricky part, because you have to get it so that it doesn't change how it looks. Right here you can see how I did it. You need, well, first you need to open this flap, and then it'll be easier to fold it down. And then you can fold it inside there. So those are reference marks, can't speak today. And right here, you can see how I did it. So it was facing up, and then I adjusted it right here. See? Fold that up, and fold that up. And then you can end up with that. You dropped it. Fold this edge here and fold this edge here. Then you are gonna fold down here. And then to make the horns or ears, you can pinch them right here. So see, and then to make the wings, you are going to fold this up to the middle. And right here, you're gonna do the same. Oops, this didn't get folded all the way. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna fold this up and fold this up. Then right here, you're gonna see where the middle is kind of, and then you can fold down on there. And then right here, if you see what I did here, you folded this up here, folded it down where the middle is, folded it up to the top, and then folded it down. So folded this up, and folded it to the top, folded it down, and do the same right here. Okay, and now you see how there's a little gap right here? We're gonna fold that there. And you can adjust the arms if you want, but I don't really choose to. But now you're done. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Bye.